Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to create a website using Lovable. So listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. So before starting, make sure that you have an account on lovable.dev, which is shown on the screen right now. And then this is, by the way, useful because Lovable allows you to design websites with AI in just a few clicks. So yeah, once you're in lovable.dev, you just have to log in with your account and then you will click create new project from your dashboard. So this is where the projects are. So make sure that you already have a project. And next you will see a prompt box asking for your website idea. You will just have to type a short description like a landing page for my online store. Then you will click generate with AI. And Lovable will automatically design your website, including the layout, the images, and text. And after generation, you will just have to click edit to customize your site, and you can change colors, update text, or add new sections. And when you're done, you will just have to click publish to make it live instantly. If your interface look a little bit different, you will just have to check for the plus icon, or which is the new project on your dashboard. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if it was helpful for you, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.